Edo State House of Assembly screens 8 additional commissioner nominees sent by Governor Mondo Bewulu. The commissioner nominees were confirmed by the House following the presentation of a report by the House Committee on Rules, Business and Government House, which reviewed the nominees and submitted 11 findings with a single recommendation for their clearance. Presenting the report, the Speaker, Kassim Afegbua, said all the nominees were indigenes of the state, competent and qualified to serve. After deliberations, the lawmakers, through a voice vote, unanimously confirmed the nominees.
On behalf of the members, I want to say that not just coming to say our public controller should also have faith and be proactive to also support the government. Must be proactive to the extent that you have what we bring to the table to also assist the state government. Please, I want to appeal to you that wherever we follow you will give in. Please endeavor to put in your best.
The confirmed commissioner nominees were Nosa Adams, Yakubu Osherena, Phyllis Akabwe, Professor Mordia Ignatius, Ohimaya Yehijimeto, Eugenia Abdallah, Godwin Afekwua Shieshi, and Prince Kassim Afegbua. Jude Aweke, reporting for VOS TV News, Benin.